How to transfer money from Sofi. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can transfer money from your Sofi account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First and foremost, open up the Sofi application in your mobile device. And after that, you have to log into Sofi account by providing your login credentials. So tap on login, and here type in your email and your password, and then simply tap on login. After you're logged in, you will land on your account dashboard, where you will see your banking account, investment account, credit cards and loan. From there, tap on banking accounts. Once you tap on banking, it will expand, and there you have to tap on checking account. And then after that, you will see the balance of your account. And on the same interface, you will find an option that says transfer. So tap on transfer. Now from that drop down box again, tap on transfer money. Then on the next page, you have to enter your amount. So first of all, enter your amount, and under that there are two options and under that you have to select the account that you are sending the amount from and to the account that is receiving the amount. So first of all, tap on from and then select your Sofi account, and then again tap on to, and then there you have to type in or select the recipient account. And once you're done with that, tap on review button below, and then on the next, slide the button at the bottom to confirm the transfer. Once the confirmation is done, the transfer is submitted. So that's how you transfer money from Sofi, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.